fun. It's a nice way of just to like relax and decompose.
I have won many kind of freebies and chocolates, and got very different kind of information regarding how I can learn and do everything. So it has been fun.
Well, so far it's been so great to see different people and meet people that have like opportunities for me, and also get like gifts. I actually love the gifts and the goodies and the way to like offer.
They have given me some advice about my career, and they also gave me some activities to do, which helps me to understand my library facilities, which is very helpful for my courseworks.
I've actually enjoyed it because I've got a lot of information from like different parts of the university. That's helped me direct my way in what I want to do.
It gives you the opportunity, obviously, to mingle with students and also the staff within the university and also some external partners.
And it's been great. Creative skills and academic writing stalls is the best one. I like it very much.
So I talked to Career Zone today, which helped me with an application I wanted to do. I have talked to other platforms that will help me with my research for my final year.
The ball and the cup stuff, I really liked it. And I love the academic tutor stores because I know that I'm going to need them and it's going to be very useful for my research.
I feel like we don't really give ourselves that time to just calm down, stop. So like activities like this just gives you that time to do it when you're like always on the go. So that's why I like these type of events for sure.
I was able to just have fun and express myself through the art that we were doing. There was no silent disco last year, and I think there's like a much more wider range of things going on and platforms to talk to.
Oh my God, the silent disco was so nice. Like I could dance, relax, unwind, and just feel free. Yeah, it was very nice.
Talking to platforms like Genius and Sage also helped me see what they've done differently from last year, because from year to year, information has changed. Other things they've had improved, which is helping me as a student.
Library is the best place for me.